time is near. So near, it's stirring the blood in their veins, and yet beware. Don't let the wine go to your brains. We need a sign to rally the people, to call them to arms, to bring them in line. It is time for us all to decide who we are. Do we fight for the right to a night at the opera now? Have you asked of yourself, what's the price you might pay? Is this simply a game for a rich young boy to play? The colors of the world are changing day by day. Red, the blood of angry men. Black, the dark of ages past. Red, a world about to dawn. Black, the night that ends at last.
Do you hear the people singing the song of angry men? It is the music of a people who will not be slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drums, there is a life about to start when tomorrow comes. Will you join in our crusade? Who will be strong and stand with me? Beyond the barricade, is there a world you long to see?
Then join in the fight that will give you the right to be free.
Do you hear the people singing the song of angry men? It is the music of the people who will not be slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drums, there is a life about to start when tomorrow comes. Will you give all you can give so that our banner may advance? Some will fall and some will live. Will you stand up and take your chance? The blood of the martyrs will water the meadows of France. Will you hear the people singing the song of angry men? This is the music of the people who will not be slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drums, there is a life about to start when tomorrow comes.
To the barricade! Come on! I need a volunteer! Someone who can find out their plan and when they will attack. Red, the blood of angry men.
Black, the dark of ages past. Red, a world about to dawn. Black, the night that ends at
You at the barricades, listen to this. The people of Paris sleep in their beds. You have no chance at all. Why throw your lives away?
Let us die, facing our foes. Make them bleed while we can.
Make them pay through the nose. Make them pay for every man.
Let others arise to take our place until the earth is free.
Cannons! Quick as you can! Come on! Look blinded! Far right first.
Wait for it! Wait for it! Fire!
Let the Brigade of Replacements.
Second cannon! Fire!
Fire! Take aim! Fire!
Take cover, boy! There's movement! There's movement under us!
Cannons ready! Fire! Cannons ready! And fire! Advance!
We will put away the sword. The chain will be broken and all men will have their reward.